We already discussed the syllabus overview, okay, in this lecture. 2 to 3 lectures we already conducted. Yeah, then we student section will transfer to you in the third semester. Okay, now you can attend all the lecture, okay, in this regular timetable. But the software procedure is different, okay. Uh, okay, so we're discussing about lab of the DMGT. Syllabus, okay, that already we discussed in the lecture, clear. We already conducted 2 to 3 lecture. In the lab session, I already upload all the assignment in your login, clear, in e-content part. So you can download it and I can refer all the assignment, clear, all the questions. And second things, this part cover the 25 mark, clear, the left part, clear, all the assignment and the term work part that will carry the 25 mark, clear. So here we'll solve all the assignment during the lab session, okay. Per week we'll get one lab, clear, in each batch. uh, and 6 unit we have in our syllabus. So I prepare the one assignment for each unit, okay, and it involve similar questions, okay, related to the topic that we'll learn during this lecture time, okay, lecture section. It is similar questions. Some of the questions are repeated form, okay, so we just practice it. In graph theory section, okay, there are some questions are repeated. Okay, we had already discussed during the lecture session, but we had also include this question in assignment also. Okay, in this graph theory is important. Okay, how to represent it. Okay, how to explain any of the concept in theoretical form. Okay, that is important. Okay, that we are doing the first time right now in mathematics subject. Clear. In other subjects, you can already explain it. Clear, of any of the topic. Clear. बट इन मैथमेटिक्स पार्ट इट इज अ फर्स्ट टाइम कि आपको कोई आंसर थियरी में एक्सप्लेन करना है, ठीक है. सो वी विल ऑल्सो प्रैक्टिस सम ऑफ द वेल नोन थियरम विथ इट प्रूफ, क्लियर, and it's related some example questions, okay, simple short answer, simple graph, and with it required conditions to apply that, and then after we'll observe the answer, clear. For that we'll prepare one of the separate book, clear, uh, and this book is compulsory for all, clear. You can solve the assignment in any of the book, clear, any of the full scope book, either any of the file pages. If you have extra pages, file page, then you can also write this assignment in file page also, clear. बट ये आपको कंपलसरी प्रिपेयर करना है, ठीक है, कंपलसरी सभी असाइनमेंट सोल्व करने हैं, एंड एट लास्ट, ठीक है, वो आपको सबमिट करना है, दैट यू टू सबमिट टू मी एट लास्ट फॉर अ टर्म वर्क, क्लियर, and that will carry the 25 mark, clear, for the 6 assignment, clear. And class book, for submission of class book, it is not compulsory for all. You see, already I will upload all the PDF file of each lecture, okay, of each unit in your login, clear, so you can refer each and every unit, clear. The soft copy is available, will be there, clear. So if you require to prepare the class book, then you can write down all the topic in your book, clear, as a class book. Otherwise it is not compulsory to submit a class book, means a lecture book, to me, clear, but a term work book, means a assignment book, is compulsory to all, clear, that is a compulsory for all. And we'll also complete the submission, clear. When we are complete any of the assignment, then we also check it, clear. I will also check it after the end of any assignment, clear. So we'll regularly update it, clear. And if any of the part is missing, then we can change it, otherwise we can update it, clear, during this time. And now in this assignment, clear, let me share this assignment for first. In assignment 4, okay, we'll start it in the next week lab, clear? Because up to this topic, clear, up to the in this three lecture, I think we conducted three lecture, 3 to 4 lecture. Uh, we can solve one or two example only, one or two questions only, clear? But when we finish some of the part in lecture, clear, then we can solve some example in this assignment, clear? Example one we can solve, clear? We can solve it right now. State and prove the first theorem of graph theory. Today we finished it. Then after second is some graphs are given that, clear, and find the degree of each of the vertex in this graph. Second is there is uh, one of the graph you have to create by taking the five vertex with degree of A is given, degree of B is given, clear, and so on. And then remaining we cannot solve it because we have not complete this theory in the lecture, clear. So today we'll not start the assignment here. We'll learn some of the applications of graph theory, some extra applications related to the graph theory. Just 1 minute. This one. Okay. Okay, so today we'll not start assignment 4. Okay, we'll start in the next lab. We'll finish some of the part of the unit number 4, and then we'll discuss all the questions again. Okay. In today's lab, we'll learn some of the real life applications related to the graph theory, how the graph theory is implemented to any real life situations, and how we can derive the answer and so on. Clear? So here, let us first see one videos related to one of the application of graph theory. We'll explain uh, how we can find the root. Okay, how we can find the uh, such close walk, okay, that we discuss in the Konigsberg bridge problem, how we can check such close walk, how we can find such close walk which covered all the 7 bridges exactly one time and again reach back to the starting place. Okay, that is one of the famous problem at Konigsberg city, and Euler had solved that it is not possible to find such close walk in this situation, clear, in that situation. So in which condition, okay, in which case how we can solve it, okay. Here we discuss another problem related to this one, clear, and how graph theory is used there to uh, solve this type of answer, okay, to check this type of answer, can it is possible or not, okay? Can we find such close walk which covered all the connection exactly one time and again reach back to the starting place, okay? So this type of criteria are used in this type of condition or this type of problem are used in to find such smallest root, and here in this possible scenario, okay, can we find or not, can it possible or not to cover all the bridge exactly one time, all the edges exactly one time, otherwise all the connection, all the vertex exactly one time and again reach back to the starting place or not. Okay, so there is two types of criteria we learned that. One is to find the uh, smallest root, okay, in one of the famous problem of graph theory, that is a traveling salesman problem. And second thing, we just uh, consider one of the housework problem. In such problem, can it is possible to find such close work which covered all the, to cross all the door exactly one time and again reach back to the starting place, okay. So let us see these applications of graph theory, and then after we'll discuss another problem related to this one. Yeah, there is one base diagram is given that of this house, clear, and this a blue line, okay, means it is a door between these two places, okay, two area. This is one of the house problem, okay. What is the problem is here? यू टू स्टार्ट एट एनी प्लेस, आप कोई जगह कोई प्लेस से आपको स्टार्ट करनी है वॉक, ठीक है, एंड क्रॉस ऑल द डोर, ओके, एग्जैक्टली वन टाइम, एक डोर में से आपको एक ही बार पास होना है, ठीक है, यू जस्ट क्रॉस एवरी डोर एग्जैक्टली वन टाइम एंड अगेन रिच बैक टू द स्टार्टिंग प्लेस, जहां से आपने स्टार्ट किया है वहीं आपको फिर से पहुंचना है, ठीक है। सो देर आर 6 एरियाज, ओके, 6 आर द इनसाइड एरिया एंड 1 इज आउटसाइड एरिया, क्लियर, दिस 6 रूम्स, ओके, दिस 2 रूम्स, 1 is guest house, ठीक है, balcony and so on, these are the one of the shape of the house, okay, and you just check, you just you have to find such close walk, इसमें आपको एक ऐसी क्लोज वॉक बनानी है, ठीक है, कहीं से भी आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, ठीक है, एंड क्रॉस एवरी डोर, ओके, एग्जैक्टली वन टाइम, किसी एक डोर को आपको एक ही बार यूज करना है, ठीक है, एंड जहां से आपने स्टार्ट किया आपको सभी डोर कवर करने हैं, जहां से आपने स्टार्ट किया है अगेन रिच बैक टू द स्टार्टिंग प्लेस, दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम, ओके। सो देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट, ठीक है, काफी सारी पॉसिबिलिटी है, अगर इफ इट इज आंसर इज पॉसिबल दैट देन यू टू चेक इट के इन विच केस इट विल बी पॉसिबल, मीन्स कहाँ से हम स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, एंड विच डायरेक्शंस वी कैन फॉलो which covered all the 7 days exactly one time and again reach back to the starting place, ठीक है, that is the problem questions also, in which place you have to start your journey, okay, and in which directions you have to follow, because if you check it there are 3 plus 6 9 and 10 exit are there, okay, 10 doors are available that you have to cross over, so lots of possibility that, ठीक है, lots of random possibility are that कि आप कोई भी एक रूट फॉलो करो, इफ इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू derive such close work, again check the different route, okay, and then continue change it and find such a suitable answer कि it is possible or not, okay, so it will take lots of time in this cycle, clear, but if we convert this situation, अगर इस situation को आप एक ग्राफ में कन्वर्ट कर दो, ठीक है, if we convert this shape the situations to one of the graph, then we can check it easily from this graph, okay, is it possible or not, okay, in that we just focus vertex and edge only, and we just start with any of the vertex, okay, and then after we'll check that we can cover all the edges exactly one time or not, okay. So here how this situations is converted to the graph, okay. Here there is one person at that place, okay, he started its journey and then after we just convert these situations to the graph, ठीक है, we will convert these situations to one of the graph, एक ग्राफ में हम इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे, जैसे हमने कोनिकबर्ग ब्रिज प्रॉब्लम को कन्वर्ट किया था ग्राफ में कि देयर आर 2 island with 2 bank with 7 bridges, okay, so how we can manage this situation to the graph, okay, the connection means the bridge are considered as the edges between two banks, okay, two lands, and this bank and two land, they are considered as a vertices, clear, so we manage 4 vertex with 7 edges and we convert the situation to the graph, and then after we check that, okay, from the graph we start the journey from any place, and then after we check can it is possible to cover all the vertices, all the edges exactly one time or not, okay, so here we'll do the same things, clear, okay, and then after we'll check it is possible or not. So here first we converted this situation to the graph, okay, so how many vertices is required here, okay, how many vertices we can consider, 6 block are here, okay, 6 areas are there, connected area, clear, so we can consider as a 6 vertices, okay, 6 vertices are there, and this door between the two area, okay, connection between the two area, that is given by a door, okay, the exit, so that we can consider as a ages, clear. So here they create one of the graph, okay, first vertex, clear, that is this one, this persons are in this upper area, okay, upper region, so that is plotted by this vertex, okay, and it has a 4 connection, okay, to the different room, different area and so on, okay, and one of the common area is for outside, ठीक है, outside का area जो है that is a 4 exit door, okay, 4 exit door are connected to the outside, 3 are the below, okay, 2 below, 1 is inside and one of the door is in upper this diagram, ठीक है, so this are the common space, ठीक है, ये सभी के लिए common होगा, ठीक है, that is connected to the one place only, that is a outside area, clear. So let's create a graph here of this situation. Our second vertex that consider is here, this one, clear, and they he connect by this door. So connected it. Okay. So second place, this for the second area they connected by these edges. Okay, and then after third one, fourth one. Okay, so four edges are now defined for this vertex. ठीक है? Is it clear to all? Is there any confusion? समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं? Yes, समझ में आ रहा है सबको कि how we can represent the situation to the graph? ऋत्विक, शोभित, हेत, मिहिर. Okay. Uh, so is there any query, any confusion to anyone? Yes, are we clear up to this stage how we can consider this part, this graph from this sketch? Okay. Okay, good. So now in the second stage, consider second area. Okay, means add some more vertices and then after it connection. Clear. So next we add this vertex, this plus. Okay, this left hand side area. Okay, that connect by this vertex, and then after again we expand it. Clear. With this area. Okay, the left hand side corner. Okay, below corner, and this one, and then after consider the outside part also. Clear. And then here the remaining one. Clear. Okay, so this is the graph. Clear, of this situation. And now you can see that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so it is uh, define here. Okay, and you can also match by using the edges. Okay, by using the degree. Okay, if you consider this main two area. Okay, these are defined middle part. So what is the degree of this both the main area? Clear. So it has a four exit door. Okay, four connections are there. So degree of this area should be 4. In the below area, that is also the 4 door connected with that. Okay, so it is also the degree 4. Clear. And remaining you just match it. Clear. So remaining connections, it has a degree 2. So this is a connection here. It has a degree 2 also. This left and right hand side part. Clear. So it is a degree 2. It has also degree 2, and it has a degree 1. And now you just observe it. जो outside का area है, ठीक है, outside part, outside region, they are common और सभी के लिए common होगा, ठीक है. It is a common for all. Clear. So we'll now modify this situation as a one लिखे है, ठीक है. That is meaning of this is a common. Clear. Similarly for this one, that is also common. Okay, so ये common है, ठीक है. Now we just merge it. Clear. In this situation, ठीक है. The degree is mentioned here in this graph, and now this a single edge is, ठीक है, of degree 1. The pendant vertex जो भी है, it is a common area that lies in the common area. Pendant vertex, ठीक है, जिसकी degree 1 है, that is the common places. ठीक है. So we now connect it as a common edge. ठीक है. At that place. Okay, we just remove it. Let me check it. I think there's network issue. Just 1 minute. So just consider this graph, okay, that is actual situation. And now जो outside का जो area है, that is a common, clear? Four exit are there, four exit door. So now we connect it as a one connection, ठीक है? So we just remove it, all these single edges, ठीक है? सभी को remove, we just remove it now, okay? And then after, we'll consider one of the boundary, ठीक है? That is this one. This is one of the boundary with them, okay? And still one more connection is there, okay? So here, that is the graph, clear, of the situation. That all the exit door are connected as the one of the chain, clear, and they connect with this. So now observe this graph. Is it possible to start any of the place? Okay, 6 places are defined, 6 areas are there. Be considered as a 6 vertex. So is it possible to check? Is it possible to find such close work which covered all the edges exactly one time and again reach back to the starting place? Verify it. Yeah. कोई भी वर्टेक्स आप स्टार्ट करो, ठीक है? 7 वर्टेक्स है ग्राफ में, 4 अपर साइड, 3 आर द बिलो से. वो एक्स प्लस से आप स्टार्ट करो, ठीक है? एंड मूव ऑन दिस एजेस, एज पे मूव करना है, ठीक? एंड देन आफ्टर विजिट अनदर प्लेस, ठीक है? ऐसे ऐसे सब वर्टेक्स को आपको कवर करना है एंड रीच बैक टू द स्टार्टिंग प्लेस. फिर से आपको स्टार्टिंग प्लेस पे आ जाना है, ठीक है? एंड डू नॉट रिपीट एनी सिंगल एज अगेन. दैट इज द कंडीशन. Just verify it and check it is such work is possible or not. Visible. Start the point 4 and run. Okay. क्या आपको start with a plus and check it is it possible or not. Is there any confusion? Twice as okay, is it true? Is it possible? So with the yes, are you there in the lab or not? Am I audible? Vishnu, Shobhit, Smith, Sai, can you hear me? Yeah, now it is okay. Audible. Still it is breaking. Okay, good. So here we just check that कि in this graph, अगर graph में possible है, ठीक है? If it is possible in the graph, कि we just start with any place. आप कोई भी area से start कर सकते हो, ठीक है? We just start with any vertex. Is it possible to find such close walk which covered all the edges exactly one time and again reach back to starting place? अगर graph में possible है, ठीक है? So this graph is a part of this house design, okay? So अगर graph में possible है means it is also implement also possible in such house walk. Clear? So let us check it. Here one of the solution is given that clear in this graph. Let's try it. Clear? So here start with this place, okay? At this middle part of this house, otherwise middle area of this house, middle vertex of this graph, and he consider his journey from this way. Clear? You just also match these directions with this house walk also, this exit door, indoor, and so on. Clear? So here he will move on this edge. Okay, means he will use this edge to reach another place. Okay, and then after he will exit, and then after move on these directions. Clear? You just match this both the directions. Okay, in this both place, and then after we'll enter in this upper area of the room. Clear? From this door, and then after we will move on this next directions. Clear? Next place we'll enter it again in another area. Clear? Then after he will visit this door. Okay, we'll cross it, and then after again he will exit, and then after we'll enter from this block again. Okay, and we'll move on these directions. Clear? Again reach back to the another place. Clear? From this edge, and still there is no any edge is repeated. ठीक है? कोई भी डोर हमने दूसरी बार यूज नहीं किया है. ठीक है? टू एग्जिट अदरवाइज टू इन, all the edge is exactly one time. ठीक है? and then after move on again this upper area, clear, and again reach back to the starting place. Okay, now you can see that all the edges are covered. ठीक है, सभी edge include हो गई. There is repeated form. ठीक है, there is no any single edge is repeated. So what is meaning of that? Okay, in this shape, okay, in this house design, clear, there are lots of door is that, clear, 6 areas are that. Okay, in this case, okay, we can start with any place. Okay, and we can visit all the door exactly one time. We just cross all the door exactly one time and again reach back to the starting place. Okay, is it possible in the graph? So it is also implement also possible in this a given design of the house. So this is one of the application of graph theory. ठीक है, अगर आप डायरेक्टली ये हाउस डिजाइन में चेक करोगे, ठीक है, सो इट विल टेक लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम. ठीक है, क्योंकि काफी सारी पॉसिबिलिटी है. ठीक है, आपको एक प्लेस फिक्स कर दो, देन आफ्टर मूव ऑन विजिट ऑल द क्रॉस ऑल द डोर एग्जैक्टली वन टाइम. ओके, सिर्फ कितने 9 तो डोर है. ठीक है, सो इट विल टेक लॉट्स ऑफ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट, ओके, टू कंप्लीट योर साइकिल. ठीक है, एंड व्हेन वी चेंज अनदर रूट इट विल टेक लॉट्स ऑफ केसेस दैट. ओके, बट ग्राफ में आपको एक ही बार चेक करना है. ठीक है, just check it, and if it is possible to manage such all the ages exactly one time, then is it correct? ठीक है, so is there any confusion to anyone? Have you cleared this example, means this application? सबको समझ में आ गया कि नहीं? Okay, now there is also one more another problem. Okay, uh, I think that we have not discussed yet, traveling salesman problem. Okay, ये कंप्लीट नहीं हुआ ना, ये आपका लैब में आई थिंक डिस्कस नहीं हुआ. इज इट क्लियर? Okay, so let's discuss it. That is also one of the famous problem in graph theory. Okay, that is traveling salesman problem. Okay, and then after we'll also discuss its application also, clear, in the real life. So traveling salesman problem. Problem क्या है? कि there is one city map is given. Okay, map अभी नहीं है, but its graph is given that city map. ठीक है, the salesman have to visit all the cities. Clear, 7 cities are that in its route. Clear, exactly one time, and you have to reach back to the starting place. ठीक है, starting place कौन सा है? That is given by city 1. ठीक है, 1 से और start कर रहा है. Here 3 directions. Okay, you can reach to the city number 2, then after 3, otherwise you can reach to the first 7th number city, then remaining all. Clear, so आपको क्या करना है? The distance between each cities is given and they assume that to be the same in both the direction. Okay, this value indicate here distance 12, 10, 8, 12. Okay, this meaning of distance between two cities. Okay, two places. So you have to find that our objective is minimize the total distance to be traveled. Okay, the salesman must travel all the city once. Once means exactly one. Okay, all the cities once before returning home. Before returning home, you have to visit all the city exactly one time and again reach back to the starting place. And in your route, okay, आपके रूट में जो डिस्टेंस होगा that should be the minimum. ठीक है, आप कोई भी रूट ले सकते हो. You can start with any of the visit any of the city. Okay, from the one. तो आपका जो possible route होगा, ठीक है, it should be the minimum total distance. Clear? That is the problem. So just try it, which route we can follow. Okay, the salesman can follow. He just is it the maximum minimum possible distance. And you just check by this way. Let us consider one of the solution. 1 to 2, okay, means a 12 kilometer is it. 1 to 2, 12 plus 2 to 4, that is 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 4 to 6, okay, 24 plus 10, that is 34. 34 plus 7, clear, means plus 6 to 7 means plus add 9, okay. 34 plus 9, clear? And then after 7 to 5, you can visit 5 to 3, and then after 3 to 1. Okay, so check the total, and then after use another route. Okay, if it is a minimum, then you can consider this one, clear? Problem is, yeah, there is one question of Rutvik. Okay, so that is already explained here. Okay, salesman you have to travel from city 1. Okay, uh, the salesman must travel to all the city once before returning home. Okay, there is one. You start its journey from the city 1. Then after you visit all such city, deliver all the parcels and so on. Clear. Items and so on, and then after he will again reach back. Okay, will return. He will end its journey again the same place. Okay, means from city 1. The distance between each city is given. सभी का distance दिया गया है, ठीक है? This number indicate the distance. Clear? 10, 12, 8, 12, 11, and so on. And it is the same in both the direction. Okay, 1 to 2 and 2 to 1 both are same distance. Uh, our objective is to minimize the total distance to be traveled. Means आपको ऐसा रूट डिजाइन करना है, ठीक है? ऐसा ऐसा रूट डिफाइन करना है कि जिसका टोटल, ठीक है, टोटल डिस्टेंस मिनिमम हो, जिसमें सभी पॉसिबिलिटी इन्वॉल्व हो, ठीक है, सभी कंडीशंस मैच हो जाए, ठीक है, मींस इट शुड बी फुलफिल, ऑल द सिटी शुड बी विजिटेड एग्जैक्टली वन टाइम. ओके, डू नॉट रिपीट इट, ठीक है, कोई भी सिटी आप रिपीट नहीं कर सकते, दैट इज ऑल्सो कंडीशन. कोई भी सिटी को आप फिर से विजिट नहीं करना है, ठीक है, एक ही बार उसको विजिट करना है, एंड आपकी जर्नी 1 पे एंड करनी है फिर से, ठीक है. ठीक है, इट्स वेरी इजी, नॉट डिफिकल्ट. ठीक है, कोई एक वन से स्टार्ट करो, कोई एक डायरेक्शन फिक्स करो, ठीक है, and then after consider another one. Okay, and we solve right total distance. तो आपने जो भी रूट लिया है, ठीक है, उसका टोटल भी आपको so we can understand which what is the total distance of this route. And this type of criteria traveling salesman problem है, and you can also use this condition, ठीक है, जिसमें आपको minimum route identify करना है. So this type of solution, that is you can solve by using the one of the algorithm that, okay, Prim's algorithm, then after Kruskal algorithm, you can use it here. Okay, it is C programming also already developed. Clear? You just enter all the city. Clear? Means name, and then after enter the distance between the two cities. Clear? It is enter all the data, and then after directly you will get answer. Okay, that will be the minimum possible shortest route. Clear? Shortest path between this one to one route. Clear? So all the salesmen, okay, कोई courier boy है, salesman है, delivery boy, for example, food delivery, Zomato है, clear? Any of the food delivery persons, clear? They are using this type of app, clear? In the Zomato based that, clear? Developed by Zomato and so on. But in that they use the graph theory concept that सपोज के कोई कुरियर वाला बॉय है अथवा कोई डिलीवरी बॉय है, फ्लिपकार्ट का, अमेजोन का कोई पर्सन है जिसको काफी सारे पार्सल डिलीवर करने हैं, ठीक है, एज पर द गिवन टाइम. सो विच पॉसिबल रूट ही विल फॉलो, ठीक है, विच पॉसिबल रूट द पर्सन विल फॉलो, सो ही कैन deliver all its parcel, ठीक है, as per the mentioned time, and he can the total distance covered should be minimum. Okay, so that types of criteria, okay, that type of minimum possible total distance are used in such type of app. ठीक है, कि जिसमें आपको मिनिमम रूट मिल जाता है, ठीक है, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी ऑल द एड्रेस आर ऑलरेडी वी एंटर, ओके, इन दिस सपोज को फ्लिपकार्ट ऑर्डर करते हो, so all the locations that you have to enter, ठीक है, address we just enter it, then after we'll get a parcel at our home and so on. So जो भी ऑर्डर करेगा, ठीक है, वो एड्रेस तो डालेगा ही, क्लियर. So all this digital data, ठीक है, are stored in its app, and then after we'll check the map, clear, okay, okay, and then after we'll find such possible route, okay, we'll start the journey from this place first, okay. Uh, and then after I will move on the specific direction, so he can visit all the places, clear, one by one, and he can deliver all the parcels and so on, clear. Yeah, that is a 63 is I think a minimum total distance. Okay, good. Okay, so I think 63 will be the final answer. Uh, 1 to 3 means 10 plus 3 to 5, 10 plus 3, 13, 13 plus 7, 20, 20 plus 9, 29, 29 plus 10, 39, 39 plus 24. So it will be 63, correct. Okay. And there is also one famous problem, a salesman ka problem hai, traveling salesman problem. One of the famous problem is Chinese postman problem. Okay. Same time condition is there. Postman you have to deliver all its letters, okay, to the various houses, clear, of any of the city map, and he will identify such route, okay. Okay, in that route he to visit all the houses exactly one time, okay, not repeat any of its road, and again reach back to the its post office there, okay. That is also one famous problem. We'll discuss later, okay, in this late part. So there are lots of application of graph theory, okay. Not it is one of the theory that, okay, but we can implement directly to our real life, clear, that type of concept. We can directly fetch this data to the real life, okay? It's very interesting, not a difficult, and it's very easy to understand also, clear, क्योंकि आपको इसकी applications इजीली आप उसको फेस कर सकते हो, ठीक है, as application point of view, and how we can implement that we can also check it, clear. So two example we discussed today, okay. We just try to find some more example, okay, related to the graph theory. Okay, here graph theory is required to find the shortest route, okay, find the such close walk, clear. Okay, we just convert this situation to the one of the graph, and by using the graph we can solve it easily. That is the application, ठीक है, that is the applications के कोई रूट है, उसमें से आपको ऐसा कोई पाथ डिजाइन करना था, तो फाइंड करना है कि विच एज अ मिनिमम पॉसिबल डिस्टेंस, अदरवाइज सच क्लोज वो कैसे डिफाइन करनी है जिसमें कोई एक पाथ एक ही बार यूज करना है, और you can cover all such city or all such path exactly one time and again reach back to the starting place, ठीक है. तो उसको आप एक ग्राफ में कन्वर्ट कर दो, तो ग्राफ from this graph we can easily identify such a possible answer, ठीक है, easily. That's it will not take much time to predict the answer, clear. It's very easy to understand, ठीक है. यहाँ पे देखो एक ग्राफ ही है पूरा डायरेक्टली, अगर इसको हम सिटी मैप लेते हैं, ठीक है, as a geometrical map, so it will difficult, okay, to find such route, clear. हमें सभी रूट एक विजिट करने होंगे, ठीक है, वन बाय वन, and then after we just check that which route is minimum, clear, which route is maximum, which route is minimum. But from this graph we can easily identify such possible route that, okay, and Google Map is based on this theory, okay. Google Map are what based on this theory that how we can check the shortest possible route. Okay, I think we just see this video in this last lab. Let us see it again. Uh, how Google Map is work, okay, based on this theory. Just 1 minute. It's very interesting video, I think. नहीं देखा होगा शायद. Let us see it. This is the application of graph theory in Google Map. Clear? And so Google Map is based on the graph theory. How map service work? Okay, how we can find the fastest route? Okay, it's the smallest route, so we can achieve the fastest speed. That is meaning of graph. Okay, it is a connections between the vertices that we already discussed. And then after we'll find one of the location. Okay, and then after it end locations, there is one of the area clear of any of the city. So starting locations that is mentioned there. Okay, and then after ending locations. Clear? That is ending locations, and we have to check the route between two places. Okay. So how graph theory is used to find such route? Okay, that we will discuss. Okay, so what we'll do that? Okay, we'll check the subroute. Okay, sub connection between these two locations. Okay, first we will identify sub locations between these two places. Means sub vertices. Okay, तो मेन लोकेशन है उस बीच में कितने सब वर्टेक्स है ठीक है जिसको हम कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं ठीक है सो वी विल फर्स्ट आइडेंटिफाई ऑल सच सब वर्टेक्स ठीक है बिटवीन द टू मेन लोकेशन स्टार्टिंग एंड एंडिंग so this a b c d e these are our you can also say it is a circle one of the circle between the two sub location okay two location otherwise you can consider sub location between these two main place and after that in the next step okay I will identify the route between these two sub location okay क्या करेगा वो कि वो route find करेगा दो सब location के बीच में ठीक है so we will identify all it possibility of route is there or not okay the road network is there or not we will check it and then after I will connect it okay clear now in next step uh, we'll get this type of step okay that is one of the graph a graph here ठीक है that is 10 to 11 vertices with his edges that is a graph of this picture ठीक है और जो पिक्चर था ठीक है मैप था इसका एक ग्राफ है and then after he will find the distance okay we'll calculate the distance approximate distance between the two nearest place ठीक है दो नजीक के place का और distance calculate करेगा ठीक है road distance ठीक है that is 6352 this is a distance between these two nearest sub location and after that we'll get idea okay I will check the route between the two places in which route is possible there okay by using the Prim's the Kruskal algorithm I will implement here and I will check that which will be the shortest route okay in which directions you will follow that it will achieve the minimum distance okay it will cover the minimum distance and we will get this map again okay and then after that is a graph theory fundamental okay and then after in this Google map okay how Google map is work directly we get within 1 or 2 seconds okay we'll get a route between the two sub location so how we'll get it is based on the graph theory okay so we just enter the your starting place ठीक है यहाँ पे आप starting place enter करोगे then after enter your ending place ठीक है and Google Map automatically will identify the three route between them okay so here we get this situation in Google Map okay you just enter the starting and ending locations and then after you will identify your route shortest route okay between these two locations and there are three possible routes between these two locations. Okay, and you just see it by the different color. Clear? And you get a direct conclusion between them. Clear? So this way we can use the concept of graph theory in real life. Clear? It's not a difficult that clear to understand the graph theory. It's very easy that. But when you fetch this data to the real life, जब आप उसको fetch करोगे, ठीक है, you just implement this concept to real life, it will be very interesting. ठीक है, it will be very easy to understand, to find the meaning also. Clear? It's very easy, not a difficult. Clear? Okay, so we'll keep up to this in today's lecture, in today's lab. Clear? And we'll start, okay, the solving of assignment from the next lab. Clear? So all of you prepare one of the book. Okay, you just directly write all the answer in your book. Clear? And it will be very helpful to the mid exam, also to the final exam. Clear? Similar questions will be there in mid as well as final, so it will be very helpful to you. Clear? And try to solve it by yourself. Okay, do not copy and paste. We have enough time to solve all the questions. There are not lengthy and difficult questions are there. It's are very easy questions. Clear? We can easily understand it and we can easily solve it by ourselves. Clear? So just try it by yourself first. Okay, and if it is still difficult, then we'll also discuss it here. Okay, but first we'll first try to solve it by yourself, all the questions. Clear? And